My name is Christine Chung.
Hi.
I am a
Good morning, everybody. My name is
Jacob.
I'm currently a senior at
in natural resources and environmental sciences.
蹲点计划，那然后目标是锁定就是一些比较年轻的族群，然后但是希望能够来台湾待的时间比较久一点，然后体会台湾的山林，所以看看林务局那边有哪些点，你觉得比较适合？
可以啊，其实我们林务局有18个森林游乐区嘛。如果学生要体验台湾森林的话，其实我们的游乐区是最好的一个地方。当然，我们要突破一些小朋友啊，他们来他们的期待，还有就是他可以回馈给我们这个游乐区或森林娱乐业务什么样的一个具体的建议啦。
其实我觉得我们台湾很多网页都做得不好，英文网页，
对对，
所以用他们的
他们的或者是他们的角度来看，年轻人嘛，希望活泼一点，然后给我们一些具体的意见，甚至有一些我们的游乐区就是跟自然教育中心是合为一个场域的嘛，他也可以看看对我们的自然教育他们有没有什么其他的一些想法建议，或者是我们的游程啊、解说活动上，他们年轻人的玩法，他会建议该怎么做。
现在是8个美国人。2个澳洲人，然后1个法国人，1个丹麦人，然后还有1个英国人。我们给学生目前来说的作业是4个，就是4个 blog， 然后还有2个 video。
因为我觉得可能要先给他们上一些课，有一些共同的一些必备先备知识了，然后再放出去，我觉得他们比较知道该注意的事情嘛。
对，
安全很重要。
对，没错。
你從頭到大一笪地啦，茶是透過什麼樣一個一點呢？可以到上面來踩過去，說你在那裡上面。可以這樣子弄水。
Make it go faster.
我把速度加快，來打到我。
大一点，往前滚。
We're asking about why they do this.
When we stand up, the first, they can push out the kite. The third, yeah, release.
You want to say something?
”我们都用丢的。用手丢。因为我看到那个也有，甚至还有这么高的弹弓。
弹弓哦。
Big shot。
然后把它射上去。
对。
好，3、2、1，发射！
哇，好远哦！
Okay, Junior. So, okay, start. So, they. Okay, you just type we 20 logs. Yeah, I think we is okay.
我只会认这个声音，我是其他都不会。
讲这边原先懂台湾的，
高一支，好，刚刚也有看到一支的，它会随着季节不同。对，它看到目前季节冬天，它有这个它可以吸引的情况，它就能够变出
没有给他没有拍到，他的做够倍数。
fire and it burns like me for you. Tomorrow comes with one desire to take me away. Comes true. It ain't easy to say goodbye, darling. Please don't stop to cry. It's
Someone who walks away our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got.
Tomorrow comes to take me away. Wish that I could stay. Girl, you know I got to go. Oh, Lord, I wish it wasn't so. Save tonight. If I can break up, dawn come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight. If I can break up, dawn come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight. If I can break up, dawn come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight. If I can break up, dawn come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Tomorrow I'll be gone.
酒，我不知道是酒。
Tomorrow I'll be gone.
酒吗？是酒吗？哦。
OK， 那我们决定，因为我们需要做那个 treasure map， 我们决定了建设一个网页，这是一个网站，然后有坐车子、坐火车、坐公车去溪头。
Other different species that you are able to see and that we have seen, like this is a photo of a red and white giant flying scorpion.
I also used to be really terrified of spiders, but after seeing so many gigantic ones and just seeing them every single day, I feel like I'm not afraid of them anymore. So.
I think the program was really attractive for me because it's the idea of being paid to travel and to take photos and just go on adventures. It's really, it was really enjoyable for me.
Today we're going to talk about trekking sun slash Bulldog because we were working on both sites. But specifically what we're going to be talking about today is our map for trekking sun because that's essentially what you're advertising for.
For number one, top 10 Taiwan trees. Today we are live here from actually one of Taiwan's most important trees.
There's a hiking trail called Romance Slope, and in the middle there's this area where you can just a lot of butterflies like this one, and so it was pretty because when the breeze comes they all fly.
Yeah, that was a great program overall, and it's actually lots of fun. And it's actually really fun to just explore everywhere. I've been to Taiwan many times, but I usually only stay in Taipei. Before I went to some other places. So I thought it was really cool just kind of hitchhike around, just see everything that I never really got to see before. And I guess.
site 之间 because if you had 10 persons, 10 persons can expand to their friends, but if you don't have 3, they only can expand to their.
From your blog, from your video, from your presentation, I see a lot of potential, and you do have the wonderful experience here. So that makes have the motivation. We can run this program better next year.
那最后呢，还是要再一次感谢，因为有你们 open our another eyes 去 watch our forest recreation area. Thank you.
I think coming to Taiwan means that like wherever you are, you're usually not far from nature, delicious food, and the locals are so friendly. They speak really fantastic English, and they're always, wanting to point you in the right direction or give you some useful advice, and are really personable.
In actuality, Taiwanese people are one of the most nicest people that I've ever met, and one of the things you should prepare when you come here in Taiwan is to expect a lot of free food. No matter how many times you say no, they're gonna give it to you. Be like, oh no, you need to eat more, please have some. Like, oh no. So prepare to get fat, very fat.
It is a very good challenge that kind of helps you figure out who you are and how you deal with foreign perspectives and foreign situations.
I want to say thank you for accepting me in the program. So that's a huge success, and already people have seen my blogs and my photos, and people have commented on my blog and recommending their friends to come to Taiwan because of my photos, because of my blogs. So if you measure it by that, the Treasure Map program is already a success.
It was interesting to come here as a wildlife conservationist because I was able to see different types of interesting wildlife.
Yeah, I just cut my foot with the Aborigines blade. No.
Yeah, just do it on the other foot.
There is not my blood on it.
Yeah, we.
Oh my god,
just
really don't take it.
Something special or something most unforgettable.
Hitchhiking is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
right. Actually, like hitchhiking to and away from Kending was probably my favorite part of that trip.
Really? Why is it your favorite?
Yeah.
It's just the hitchhiking. It's like I've never done hitchhiking before. And it's like it's really cool to like actually do it for the first time. Like people are actually so willing to do it.
The funniest part about hitchhiking is every time I get in the car, they say, sorry, the car is too small. Every single person says the car is too small.
Today is the first day the guy can say that.
So all in all, it's been very, very interesting to stay here and a nice experience, and we hope to open the place up to open Taiwan and Shito as a national park, as a tourist destination, and we hope to open it up to the rest of the world and to the English-speaking part of the world.
If my friends were here, I would recommend that they go to the rivers and the high mountains, which I did not get to do personally, but I would like to do.
I would definitely recommend you come to Shito and join the Taiwanese Treasure Map program.
It's a very, very positive experience, and I'm happy that I was able to do it, to spend 1 month of my life kind of promoting the beauty of Taiwan.
Taiwan is just an amazing place, and I would recommend everyone and anyone to come down to Taiwan.
I hope you come to Owanda in Taiwan. It's been a lot of fun. It's super awesome. It's tropical, and it doesn't have Beijing pollution.
While Taiwan is a small island, it's also a place that has really unique and incredible culture, nature, and people. And I think it's a shame that a lot of people don't know about Taiwan. It's really a place that can change your life.
And what's more, it's a super cheap place to come as well. So I totally recommend it to students who are looking for a budget holiday and also want to do something that gets them involved in a country where nature is just surrounding you all the time. But if you do come, make sure that you need to bring mosquito repellent and also
就是本来说要去那个苏铁保留区住一天，住1个晚上在那里面。
I just want to know your concept, your ideas, anything. Then I can improve our program next year and communicate with local hosts next year. Yeah, that's what I feel.
We had to do all the translation. We didn't feel qualified to do the translation stuff because we didn't we didn't know Chinese at all.
Like I wrote a lot of things, I was pretty sure I was right, and I asked Betty later, and I realized I was totally wrong.
So how about because we are thinking about we need to contribute to local host institute. So I'm thinking if we can do introduction of this site.
其实也是希望透过这样子能够让像你或者是其他的外国人更了解除了自然还有他们这些工作在做什么。
Everything's in Mandarin. It's like, well, two of us don't know any Mandarin, and then like I know very limited, and then like these two know like some Mandarin, but not technical Mandarin. You know.
I totally understand that you guys want to contribute to this place.
Yeah.
And Professor Yuan and myself, we try to come up some work or some like class, try to help you on this.
More materials for us to write.
Yeah.
我一直跟同仁讲，可能我们要把我们在地的资讯，包括食衣住行都写清楚，这样子他们拿到就是哦，原来在这个地方有什么样的限制，对。那如果说我不住这边，我可以去住哪里？对，这样他就会很清楚。台湾学生，要不然我们就直接设定他就是小队伍，然后我们就是把他的工作你要做什么讲清楚，因为你比人家还多了学分。我们对我们的领管处的同仁在讲这个，也要跟他讲，如果这些学生到了这边可以帮什么？我觉得他们才会
开始先，他们开始规划，他们要开始
对，这样大家就会比较有需求。